Most people get this wrong when filing an LLC annual report in Ohio. They assume every LLC has to file one every single year. But here's the truth no one tells you. Ohio works differently from many other states, and missing this detail can save you time, money, and a huge headache. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Ohio LLC reporting works in 2026, who actually needs to file, what documents matter, and the biggest mistakes business owners like Alex and Jake make when trying to stay compliant. Let's get straight to it. Here's the most important thing first. Standard Ohio LLCs do not file a traditional annual report like Florida or California LLCs. That surprises a lot of people. If you formed a regular LLC in Ohio, there is currently no mandatory yearly report fee just to keep your LLC active. But here's the problem. Many business owners still have other filing requirements they completely overlook. For example, if your LLC has changes like a new business address, new registered agent, or updated ownership details, you still need to update records with the Ohio Secretary of State. Ignoring this can cause missed legal notices or even administrative issues later. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some Ohio businesses do have periodic filing responsibilities depending on their business structure, licenses, or tax obligations. So don't assume no annual report means do nothing. Here's the easiest way to stay compliant in 2026. First, log into the Ohio Secretary of State Business Portal. Search your LLC name and verify your company status says active and in good standing. Second, confirm your statutory agent information is correct. This is the person or company receiving legal documents for your LLC. If John moves offices and forgets to update the address, important notices could disappear without him knowing. Third, check your tax obligations. Ohio LLCs may still need to handle commercial activity tax filings, employer taxes, or local business taxes depending on income and operations. But this is where most people fail. They confuse federal tax filings with state compliance. Filing taxes with the IRS does not automatically update your Ohio LLC records. Another smart move is setting calendar reminders for business renewals, licenses, and tax deadlines. Even though Ohio skips the traditional annual report for many LCS, penalties from other missed filings can still hurt your business. In a minute, I'll tell you the fastest way to avoid compliance problems entirely. The best option for many small business owners is using a registered agent service or compliance tracker. These services send reminders before deadlines and help keep business records updated automatically. So here's the bottom line. In 2026, most Ohio LLCs do not file a standard annual report. But you still need to maintain accurate records, monitor taxes, and keep your LLC in good standing. If this video helped clear things up, hit the like button, subscribe for more LLC and business guides, and comment below with the state you want covered next.